Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new here. I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on this channel. Today we're going to be playing with some makeup. We're going to be doing this look. I have a ton of just new products in front of me. Well, there's more. It's all over my desk that we are going to dive into. I'm also going to be announcing at the end of this video my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you watch all the way until the end so you can figure out what the rules are and how to enter. So enjoy the video. I'm just gonna jump right into this makeup. I'm gonna clip my hair back. We have so much fun makeup to play with today. This is all stuff that I got in the Sephora sale. I kind of want to do eyes first because I always do eyes last. We finally are able to use this Patrick Ta palette. I have been wanting to. I'm first gonna prime my eye with the Kosas concealer and just see how this goes. I've been wanting to dive into this palette for so long. I mean, it's really only been a week. What happened was, as I'm sure I've already told you guys in my last video, but if you didn't watch that one, so I finished up my Sephora sale haul and that went up a day after I filmed it. So whenever I posted it the day before, I was filming and I went to go take Sunny for a walk after that and my back went out. And prior to that, Nick's back went out about 4 days beforehand. So I was doing like all the heavy lifting for 4 days, everything with the boys. We have 2 dogs. So I was just doing a lot. I was putting a lot of strain on my back. I was picking things up, like, because we have these huge heavy gates like everywhere in our house. So Sunny can't get into certain areas. And I was lifting them myself because I'm a strong, independent woman. And I also worked out, which again, if you guys haven't been following, I have been on an intuitive eating journey. I don't like to say I'm like an intuitive eater. I just like to say I was like trying to be at peace with food and basically unlearning diet culture. That's what I've been doing. That's what I've been up to. And part of that was not punishing myself with exercise basically. So I finally went to go exercise. You guys know I've been talking about it. I've been like kind of alluding to I want to get back into lifting and just doing it because it's like an enjoyable process. And so I finally worked out and then my back went out and I really did not overdo it at the gym. I think I overdid it only because of like everything else I was doing as far as activities of daily living. But as far as like working out, it was a pretty solid, just little workout, you know? Getting back into a workout. So this went on super sheer, but I kind of like that for my eyeshadow. I'm going in with this light shade right here. But how is everybody doing? I feel like I haven't truly talked to you guys. I've been doing sit down videos because of my back. And I promise after this video, I'll stop talking about my back. And also though, we have a giveaway. We reached 2,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness, what an accomplishment. It's just insane to me that I have been able to kind of pick up a little mini following, especially because I don't post on other socials really. I don't post on Instagram that much. Instagram for me is truly just like a highlights reel, and even then I don't post everything on there. I used to be way more active on Instagram. I've just been enjoying not putting so much pressure on myself to like produce content outside of YouTube. I love keeping my upload schedule very consistent for YouTube, so you guys can always expect a Thursday and a Sunday upload unless there's like extenuating circumstances. But pretty much even through me having COVID and me blowing my back out, I've been able to consistently upload. So I'm really proud of that. And anytime you ask somebody who's popular on YouTube, like, how did you get here? Like, how'd you get successful? They're always like, consistency is key. Anyway, I never thought I would have 2,000 subscribers though. That's insane. I thought maybe 500, maybe. All right, I've laid down that shade enough. It probably looks like I haven't been doing anything for the past like 5 minutes. I'm so excited to play with makeup though. This stuff has just been staring at me since the sale. I'm like, I just want to play with it. I'm definitely gonna be using the rosy palette more today than the soft glam palette because I don't know, with my dress that's cute and summery. Or do we go bronzy? Decisions. I just really want to play with these shimmers. We can build up our crease later. There's these 3 shimmers right here that are really calling my name. But how's everybody doing though? What's going on in your guys' life? Oh, this is a duochrome. I should probably zoom you guys in. Look at that. Really, for the past week or so, Nick and I have just been super low-key trying to like rehabilitate and all of that. So I don't really have anything new going on this week. It's probably the worst time for Should I Get Ready With Me since I have like not a ton going on at the moment. Literally just work and filming YouTube videos. I'm actually getting ready right now to film a YouTube video. It is going to be like in my Under the Kitchen Sink organization, which doesn't sound that interesting, but I'm trying to make it like super nice, very, very organized, just because I've noticed after organizing my closet and making it super, super functional, everything has a home. My closet has pretty much stayed clean since we organized it together here on my channel. So I've noticed the importance of a nice organized space and creating a home for things and it staying clean long term. I need some coffee. So I changed up my order from Starbucks. So I was getting the pistachio latte, but with only 4 pumps of syrup instead of 6. However, I went back to my original drink. This is the iced quad espresso in a venti cup with extra almond milk, iced, and 4 pumps of the pistachio syrup. It makes the perfect drink. It's very espresso forward, but it's also like nutty from like the almond milk and the pistachio. Absolutely delicious. I've been mainly using my espresso machine, but when I have videos to film, sometimes I like to just pick up Starbucks. I picked that up yesterday actually, just to make my life a little bit easier today. Okay, so that was like an orangey color, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it was gonna be more rosy. I do have that eyeshadow that fixes every problem I ever have, Bobbi Brown Moonstone. So we're just gonna go in with the rest of the eye look and we'll see where it takes us. I do have, what we can try is the Liss foundations today. Well, the foundation and the concealer. We'll see. I'm all over the place. Nick and I have been pretty boring the past week. That's why I think I was watching Coachella so much. I was just trying to like, 1, keep up with like the new music coming out and new artists, but 2, like what else was I gonna do? I had a schedule though. I would ice my back for 20 to 30 minutes and then I would get up and walk around. I'd put the ice pack back in the freezer. And then I would just walk as much as I could around the house. The first day of my injury, I literally couldn't I could only walk to my island in my kitchen, and then I'd have to go sit back down, or I was able to walk to the bathroom. That was literally it. It was that bad. I probably should see a physical therapist or something.
My lips are dry.
I really want my Merit Beauty lip oil, but the clear one is, I think, on my desk. This is the tinted one. I've been loving the clear one though. Oh, this is a look. Okay, back to defining our eye. It's looking a little rough, but just trust the process. But as I was watching Coachella, I noticed that so many artists use a very loud backtrack that basically sings the whole song for them. And I know that's not new, but I kind of expected like more, like to hear more of the talent of the artist. So that was the only kind of like disappointing thing for me about watching Coachella. I just feel like back in the day, if somebody had a song come out, they like sang the whole thing, or the backtracking was minimal. But then again, I haven't been to concerts in a while, so maybe everything's changed. My first impression of this palette though is that these metallic shades go on a lot more creamy than the other metallic shades in the original Patrick Ta palette. I think I like the colors more of the original Patrick Ta palette, but these ones go on creamier, and the mattes are just as buttery. There is like fallout, but like, honestly, I don't have a huge problem with that in my opinion. I like to kind of draw out my eyes a little bit. And I think I cut it out in my last video. I was trying to say Happy Easter to you guys, but I was having this whole issue with, I couldn't get my track recording, what is it called? My voiceover. I couldn't get my voiceover audio to work at first. So I was having to literally go into voice memos and then edit it into the video, and then finally Nick was able to fix it, but I had already done like a third of the video, and I think I accidentally cut out the part where I was saying Happy Easter if you guys celebrated. And if not, just a happy Sunday to you. What holiday is next? I know Mother's Day is coming. I'm so bad with holidays, I never know what's going on. And this is gonna look a little weird on me until I do my base, just because the pink or red pigments in my skin are really coming through when I have kind of a reddish eye look going on. So do not fret. These colors really blow out easy though, so that's awesome. I do need to make it a little less warm. It is pulling a little warm on me. So I will go back to my Soft Glam palette now. Me and this palette have history. I had it when it first came out, and I think I got rid of it this year just because I had it for so long and I got so much use out of it. I hit pan on I think 2 eyeshadows, but this shade right here, it's called Tempura. It is my favorite. It is my favorite highlight shade for my upper brow bone because it has such a subtle shimmer in it. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it highlights, adds a tiny bit of radiance. It's just so beautiful. I wanted it as a single, but I don't know if they make it as a single. Okay, from far away, I really need to add something to my crease. So I'm gonna go in with the burnt orange from this palette. How have you guys been feeling about makeup though? I feel like during the pandemic, clearly we all collectively kind of stopped wearing it as much just because of masks and everything, but I'm starting to get back into it. Even with mask wearing, I still want to do my makeup, and I've been looking forward to more releases. I think there was also a period of time, even before the pandemic until now, where I wasn't super crazy about any of the releases coming out. And again, eating talc-free formulas, your options are even more limited. So I just wasn't jazzed about makeup like I was previously. I kind of miss the 2014 to like 2016 era of YouTube makeup where everybody was just obsessed. I don't know, it was kind of fun. I don't like what came of it, like the endless collections, but I just love people talking about makeup and being excited about it. Now I'm going in heavy with the Bobbi Brown Moonstone eyeshadow just to lighten everything up, make it sparkly. I really want to try other colors of this because I love this one so much and I haven't tried the other ones. I'm worried though this was the only one that was like a hit, and then the other ones are just not going to do it for me. Blend those edges out. I haven't sat down and done a makeup video in forever. I'm forgetting like what I even do. But you guys, I just saw that there is a new episode, well, a new season of the home edit out. I love how the show made everybody like obsessed with organizing things, and I got so many good ideas from that show. I turned it on. The first episode I didn't like watching because it was like kitchen based, and it was kind of, there's a lot of like healthy food talk, and I'm trying to avoid stuff like that right now for my own journey. So if you're on a similar journey as me, kind of skip the first episode. And they're also so high energy, I can't watch it at night, and that's like the only time I watch TV. So today I'm gonna try to sneak in an episode. Skip the first episode if you need to, but I'm gonna go on to the second one and see how that is. What was I even doing? Okay, we're gonna skip over from the eyes and we're gonna work on our face. I need to do it. I'm gonna start with this concealer from LYS, or LYS. It's the Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. We're gonna see what this does for me. I love the applicator. It is a dark shade. I'm not gonna freak out though, because I can always go in with like a brightening powder. I'm not wearing any obviously I'm not wearing any foundation. I'm not wearing any primer right now, just to see how all of this stuff goes on. And honestly, this concealer might be good for canceling out my dark circles. Up close, when I was looking at my makeup, I'm noticing a lot of fallout from the eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So I'm just going to go in with my foundation and see if that covers it up. If not, then we'll know there's a lot of fallout with those shadows. But I got both of the foundation and concealer in the LN6. This says shake well before use. So this should be a clean beauty foundation, and it says it has ashwagandha, which is a powerful herb to help combat skin stress and visible signs of aging, hyaluronic acid, turmeric, and avocado oil. So let's see. I'm just gonna put one pump on my sponge and then put it around my face. Okay, maybe two, because the first one didn't count. So as I'm applying it, you can see a ton of my skin texture. All right, we're getting in real close for a second. I'm gonna see if you can see. To be honest though, from far away, I look flawless. I think what's happening is, I don't think it's the fault of the foundation. I think my textured skin is what's really happening. I don't want to say that this is highlighting my texture. It's definitely not hiding my texture, but I don't think it's fair to say that it is highlighting it. I feel like if I had a medium skin tone, then the eye look would be beautiful. It's just a little too much for me. So we have a lot of highlighting to do now. I would definitely have gone down, I don't know, this kind of matches really good. Am I crazy? No, I think this is a good match. I would have gone down a shade of the concealer. So whatever foundation shade you think you are, maybe go down a shade in the concealer. It doesn't look bad under my eyes, but I think it could use a little oomph. So I'm also gonna go in with, I hope this doesn't mess it up, I'm gonna go in with the Kosas one because it's lighter, and see if that helps matters. Lighten and brighten me up a little bit. Sometimes it's easier to go in with like a concealer brush. I think it looks so much better with the Kosas concealer underneath. I am getting like the tiniest bit caking underneath my eyes, but that's to be expected because now I've layered multiple products that weren't intended to go together, but it still looks really good. There is stuff all over. Glitter everywhere. I love how creamy the Kosas one is. Do they have a Kosas foundation? Like a new one to match this? The product that I've been waiting for, the NARS, I've been wanting to try this for so long. It has the cutest little powder puff. That's gonna be worthless. However, it's so cute. Sometimes I use my ABH A23, whatever this is. This is the highlighter brush because it fits right underneath the contours of my eyes. It's hard to see what's happening. I don't have my ring light up and that was my fault. It highlighted a tiny bit of the texture, but it doesn't look bad. I will say that. I'm gonna try to set the rest of my face with this and see how that goes. I really hope it goes well. We deserve a win today. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna use, I lied. This was for under my eyes. I got this to try it all over my face. This is the Always an Optimist Soft Radiance Powder from that woman, Selena Gomez, Rare Beauty. Ooh, that's cool. So it has like a little cover for the little holes. She thought of everything. You can even easily pull this up even if you had nails. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand because I don't know where else to put it. I should probably put it in the cap. I'm comparing this to the Hourglass Beauty Powder. So let me look up close and personal at what's going on. I mean, it feels nice. It definitely looks like it set everything. My eyes are killing me though. You know what? Let's brighten our inner corner and I think I'll feel better about the eyeshadow. I was starting to lose trust in the process. Pencil brushes are the best job for this. Do you guys have any makeup holy grails though? Like I was trying to think about if I had a makeup holy grail, and I have like my Hourglass powder and my Bobbi Brown Moonstone, but do you guys have anything that's like your favorite and you can't live without it. We have both blush and bronzer to try. This is the Lawless Beauty Sakura. This is such a beautiful shade. I think it'll go really well with what I'm wearing. And then this is the lighter of the, what is this? Bronzer. Oh my gosh, words. I have such brain fog right now. It is so bad. I'm trying to do this video today. I'm like forgetting what to even talk about. I promise my other sit down videos will be better. I'm just getting back into the swing of things. I feel like I didn't film for a week because I pre-recorded, thank goodness, I pre-recorded only 2 videos so I would have something for you guys. And then my period is coming, so I'm just like all over the place. I'm like really hot and sweaty right now, but it's okay. That's life. I feel like there has to be, literally statistically, there has to be some of you who are also about to start with me. Like some of us are synced up, I know it. So this is definitely a lighter bronzer than the other one. I was kind of looking for a different tone than the other one I already had. This one definitely is more of a bronzer. The other one was going kind of red on me for some reason. It was really weird. I like to bronze up my nose. I just think it looks cute. So bronzer is on. Doesn't look like much happened, but I have some dimension. And it's gonna be a little shadowy right here just because I don't have a light coming from this way. Time to try the blush. It's pretty. I don't know if it's even gonna pick up on camera, but it's pretty. I'm gonna see what the eye look looks like with lashes. Well, mascara. I'm not putting lashes on. So the jury is still out if I like this powder more than the Hourglass one. I feel like I have a lot of fallout from my eyeshadow that's like really throwing me off. To be honest, I have been loving that my eyebrows are dyed. I definitely went a little bit dark for my taste, so I'm gonna go a little bit lighter next time. But having a defined tail now has been a game changer. I just feel like I look more put together for some reason. I was just freaking out when I first did it because of, I didn't know that it was gonna dye my skin. I mean, I should have, but I didn't think about that. And so it got a little sloppy on one of the brows, so it looked funky, but it's looking good now. This is just the Kosas brow product. It's my favorite brow product so far. I either use it with the pencil or this just alone, and it's really good. All right, eyelashes. This is the Rare Beauty mascara. Interesting wand. Not sure how I feel about that. Can you even see my lashes? I will get you guys a little closer. Here's one side done, and the other side, well, that looks a little clumpy. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I don't know. Let's do the other side and see what happens. So this is the color Baby from Merit, or Millennial. This is Millennial. Let me just spray some setting spray. Oh, we forgot highlighter. Of course we did. All right, you guys, now it's time to talk about the giveaway. So first of all, I want to thank you for 2K subs. That is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about that. It's really simple to enter. I wanted to make sure that I could get you guys some gift cards instead of shipping you something. That way I can just email it to you and it would be super easy for you to win the prize. So I'm going to be giving away 4 $25 gift cards to either Dunkin' or Starbucks. So to enter, all you have to do is like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and comment down below whether you want a Dunkin' gift card or a Starbucks gift card. And I'm gonna be using like a random username generator. So if you're picked, I will comment on your comment and let you know that you were picked. And then you can either DM me on Instagram your email so I can send it to you, or you can just put your email in the comment. I just don't want you guys to feel like you have to expose your email to anyone. So that is how we're going to be doing it. So this giveaway is going to be live today, the day that you're seeing the video, up until the 30th of the month, just to give everybody time to watch the video. Also, in the comment, I want you to include what your favorite makeup product is right now. So is there any makeup product that you've been loving? Is it a holy grail? Is it something you've just used forever? So also leave that down below with the gift card that you want to receive. And again, I'm going to be giving away 4 $25 gift cards. So it'll be like a total of $100 of gift cards going out. And I just really wanted to thank you guys for sticking with me and watching my videos and interacting with my videos. It's been so awesome getting to know some of you guys in the comments, just chatting with you. It's been really fun. And again, I'm sorry the last video and probably this one has been a little bit lackluster. Coming out of a back injury has definitely been challenging. So I wanted to thank you guys for sticking with me. I'm also going to put all the rules for the giveaway in the description box, just so you can have access to all of the giveaway rules. And I'm not going to make this super public because I don't want people just following me to get the giveaway. I want my followers who actually have been watching my videos to win, because you guys are the ones who have been actually supporting my channel. So thank you guys so much. It's been so fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.